Hi boys and girls, welcome to your Letterland lesson for today. Yesterday you met Golden Girl in Letterland, so today is day 2 of learning about Golden Girl. Put this out just a little bit and let's do our quick dash, my friends. Are you ready? Who's this? Annie Apple. Ah, good job. Bouncy Ben. B. Golden Girl, we know her trick now. G. Good. Impy Ink. I, I, I. Munching Mike. Mmm. Noisy Nick. Mmm. Peter Puppy. P. Red Robot. Rrrr. Sammy Snake. S. Sammy and Sally Snake, they are friends on the end, and together they make the sound in words. Who's that? Sleepy Sammy, and he says zzz when he's sleepy. Talking Tess. Walter Walrus. W. Good job, guys. Now we're going to do our sound race. Are you ready? Okay. You have to see the front of this. S. R. P. N. M. I. I. G. G. B. A. W. T. Z. Oh, sorry. S. Good job. You really raced through that with me. Good job, guys. All right, boys and girls. We need to learn Golden Girl's handwriting song today. All right, let's look at her letter. And here is how our song goes. I'm not going to sing it. I'm just going to tell you the words, okay? It goes like this. Go round Golden Girl's head. Go down her golden hair. Then curve to make her a swing so she can sit there. Did you know that was her swing? Yeah. Let's do that together now, boys and girls. Okay, you have your finger in the air so you can be writing in the air. We're going to start up at the top of our letter. Go round Golden Girl's head. Go down her golden hair. Then curve to make her a swing so she can sit there. Good job, friends. All right, boys and girls, I want to teach you about her capital letter because it is a very different shape. Here she is in her lowercase letter, but when she wants to start an important word like somebody's name or the beginning of a sentence, Golden Girl gets off her swing to drive her go-kart at the beginning of any important word. That shape changed a lot, didn't it, boys and girls? When she's needed to start an important word, she has to get in that go-kart. On her swing, she is not looking in the reading direction. But when she's in her go-kart, she has to look where she is going so that she does not bump into the other Letterlanders. Okay, so there she is, her capital letter and her lowercase letter. Woo! There we are. And boys and girls, what name do you think this says? Golden Girl. Very good. Can you see her on her go-kart in both letters? In golden and in girl. Good job, boys and girls. All right, guys, we're going to do some live reading. Are you ready? It's actually live spelling. I'm going to be spelling. You're going to be reading. We'll read together. Woo! There we go. Okay, friends, our first word has a Golden Girl in it, but it starts with a Walter Walrus. And then an Annie Apple, and then a Golden Girl. Can you guys get out your roller coaster and let's figure this out together? Here we go, friends. W-A-G. Let's blend these two. Wag. Wag. The word is wag. My dog likes to wag her tail. Good job. I'm going to change just one letter in the middle. Help me with the roller coaster, guys. I'm up at the top here. No, you can't see that, but here's my top. W-I-G. Let's blend these two. Wig. Wig. The word is wig. Very good. It's fun sometimes on Halloween to wear a silly wig. Good job. All right, I'm going to change my first letter this time. I wonder how that changed the word. Let's do it, friends. Roller coaster. Here's mine. My shoulder is for the first letter. B-I-G. Big. Big. The word is big. The buildings in the city are very tall and big. Good job. All right, let's see. What would happen if I took out the I and put in an A? Let's try it, friends. Roller coaster it with me. B-A-G. Bag. Bag. Very good. I like to pack my lunch every day in my lunch bag. You got it. Now I'm going to change the first letter to Talking Tess. Let's try it, guys. T-A-G. Tag. Tag. It is so fun outside to play tag with your friends. Let's see what happens if I change the T to an R. Ag. Rag. Rag. When I need to clean the floor, I need a rag to wipe up the mess. Rag. All right, guys, we're going to do one last word together here. This time I'm changing the ending sound. Ready? An. Ran. Ran. I ran all the way home. Good job, boys and girls. Thank you for reading those words with me. Remember, today we learned about Golden Girl. And when she's a capital, she sits on her go-kart and she has to go in the reading direction. Good job, boys and girls. Here's our lowercase letter, and this is when she's sitting on her swing. Let's do those words one more time so we remember exactly how to write her letter. We start at the top, boys and girls. Go round Golden Girl's head. Go down her golden hair, then curve to make her a swing so she can sit there. Good, great, boys and girls. All right, guys, now I want you to go watch Miss Dodie's video, and she is going to show you how she picture coded the lowercase and the capital Golden Girl. And then you guys can picture code her as well. Have a great day, friends.